Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to resolve the integrity could not be verified message on an iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app and entering General. From there, scroll through the available options until you find VPN and Device Management, then open it. Under the Enterprise app or Developer app section, locate the application you're attempting to use. Select that app, tap the Trust option, and confirm your choice when prompted. Once you've completed that step, reopen the application and check whether it launched